Hi everyone. Today we're going to talk about another important concept. All math concepts are important, but these are certain of your foundational concepts. We're going to talk about subtraction. In our last video, we talked about addition. Subtraction essentially is the opposite of addition. In this one, we're going to regroup numbers, but instead of collecting them together, we're going to take them away from each other. See this symbol in the middle here? That's really important. That's our operator. In our last video, you saw a symbol like this, and that's addition. This symbol right here is our subtraction symbol. These symbols are really important because they're going to help us to know what operation we're about to perform. Obviously, today, since we're talking about subtraction, we're going to perform subtraction. Numbers are really big. I'm going to start with something a little bit smaller. I just thought they'd be good. Not highlighter, eraser. I thought this would just be a good example to kind of to show what the subtraction sign is. So we're going to start with something small. We're going to start with 3 minus 2 equals 1. Now, how did I come up with that? I'm going to show you through our tally system again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So what we want to do is we want to take our 3 and then take away 2. So we're going to take our big number and take away 2 of the little number, of the smaller number. So we're going to take away those 2 because that's what our operator is saying to do. So what do we have left? We just have this one tally left. 1. Hence the number 1. Now, how would we approach this with a bigger number? I'm going to do something really simple problem for subtraction for our bigger number example. 30 minus 10. Notice we have 2 zeros in our first column. And again, we're stacking based on place value. Our 1s here line up and our 10s here line up. So now, 0 take away 0 is still 0. And 3 take away 1 is 2. So our answer to this equation, or this operation, is 20. So if we have 30 tallies and we take away 10, we will have 20 tallies left over. Subtraction and addition are inadvertently some of the foundations of math. And they're just a good skill to constantly be practicing. Whether you have pens in front of you and you can take away and add pens together, or just writing different tallies and counting them up to figure out some of the patterns that go on in our addition and subtraction. Our next video will go over some little tips and tricks on how to conquer some quick addition and quick subtraction facts. So stay tuned for that video. And good luck on your math.